www.sheppeyfm.org.uk.
Sheppey FM 92.2.
Welcome to our podcast, The Youth Show Going Green.
Hello and welcome to the Youth Show Going Green. You're here with me, Jack.
Me, Dayton. And me, Nico.
Today we're talking about green gardens. So, Dayton, do you want to start us off?
Yeah, did you know plants can talk? Well, sort of. Through chemical signals and root systems, plants can warn each other about pests or droughts. It's like social media for plants.
Wow, that's really crazy.
Did not know that.
More plants can detect, what do you call them, pests?
Yeah.
And animals like that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I did not know that.
Well, I think one of the main things we should do in our gardens is conserve water or plant a tree, which helps soil and it will just conserve water, which means we don't have to use so much tap water, which we get from reservoirs.
I also think we should stop using machines because it will damage the soil.
Yeah, that is a good idea.
Gardening helps you eat healthier. Did you know people who grow their own food are most likely to eat fruits and veggies and enjoy them?
That's pretty cool. You can plant broccoli, rosemary, strawberry, basil, carrots,
Yeah.
mint, tomatoes, radishes, beetroot, lettuce.
Also, a very important thing when you're farming or if you're planting things, do not overwater your plants because they might drown.
Yes, yeah, that is a good concern you have, Nico. I think another idea is to make bug hotels in your garden because less bugs are around these days.
Smart idea.
And you could also grow your hedges out bigger so you have more birds in your garden. Pretty cool idea.
I personally think everyone has their own thoughts, but I do think everyone should still support the environment in any way possible.
I think everyone should care about an animal in the world.
Talking about animals, worms are garden heroes. Earthworms keep soil healthy by aerating it and breaking down organic matter, making it easier for plants to grow.
That's actually a fact I haven't noticed, and I do sustainability at school. Things we should do is to stop using machines.
Yeah.
Everyone agrees with that in here?
Oh
Yeah.
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 Stop using tap water and we should collect water, like conserving water and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
And another one is stop using lots of water on plants because they can drown.
Yeah.
And also a cheaper way than going to your store is you could just start planting some cherry, apple and even plum trees in your garden.
And to stop wasting money, once you've grown the plants, they give off seeds, so you can just use the seeds again and again and again and again and again.
And again.
And over and over again. It's with potatoes, if you don't get all of the potatoes out, they grow again next year.
Plants and veg and fruits you don't need, just make like a compost bin for bugs and insects.
You can make compost bins and just make your garden look beautiful.
Yeah.
The sad thing about farming and planting is that you do have to play the patient game a bit.
Yeah, farmers have to do the waiting game of if the weather's gonna mess up or not. Which I don't think is the best, but you've got to do it because of global warming and climate change, and because we're using so many machines for farming and all of that, that's making global warming worse. So doing the little job always makes a big difference.
Gardening burns calories. 1 hour of light gardening can burn around 200 and 300 calories. It's exercise in disguise.
So if everyone does gardening, they would have a lot of muscles. So it's a big workout and all of that stuff. Sadly, it's come to the end of the podcast, and it's a goodbye from me, Jack.
Goodbye from me, Dayton.
And goodbye from me, Nico.
Tune in next time. Bye.
www.sheppeyfm.org.uk.
Sheppey FM 92.2.